This home feels like we're in a treehouse, and literally there are so many beautiful varieties of birds flying around out the windows right now. We're up by Big Carnelian, and so this home has deeded access to the lake, which means summertime you can get out and kayak, you stand up paddleboard, just hanging down by the lake, go for your morning coffee and sit by the lake, or evening glass of wine. There's a picnic table down there. You're in a very cool lakeside community. This particular home was built in 2005. It's got 4,000 finished square feet. And there's so many windows, and the way they set it on this lot, it's just very, very private, even though you're part of a community. In the winter, I think, going out with your snowshoes and spending time down on the lake or cross-country skis, if you've got hockey kids, they could create a little hockey rink on the lake and go down there and have a blast. This home has a really unique floor plan, which I love. It's very unpredictable. There's a beautiful master bedroom suite up on the top floor, and it's got beautiful views of the lake, and there's an office off of the master with even some sliding glass doors. The other bedrooms, there's one on the main floor here that is actually handicap accessible if you have an older parent that's coming to visit or somebody that has those needs. And then there's also 2 more bedrooms in the basement. This is actually a great house. If I still needed a house with my kids at home, put them downstairs and let them have a heyday down there. The kitchen is up to date and lots of storage space. These cellars are also those types of cellars that take care of every inch of the home, so those are the kind of cellars you want to buy from. So if you are looking for a property that has just beautiful privacy, but in a great location with access to water and just minutes from Stillwater, give me a call. I'd love to show it to you. 651-303-1200.